Hi guys, I'm Liana.
I'm Karma. Oh, for fuck's sake.
Hi guys, I'm Liana.
I'm Karma.
And together we are Style Me Out. We also have another co-host named Maya, but she couldn't be here with us today, but you do have us too.
This is just a fashion show. We do loads of different fashion challenges.
We're also going to be involving you guys to help us pick winners for each different challenges, and also just to give you a little bit of inspiration because we all have completely different styles.
Like, share and subscribe. All our socials are down below, so give us a follow.
And don't forget to press the notification bell so you never miss a video with us. So today we're going to be customizing jeans. Saints, you need to be on it, so do it again. Give me the jeans.
What was I going to say? We've only got 30 minutes to, We've only got 30 minutes to revamp these the way we want to.
As you can see, we have very ugly jeans.
I've got flowers on mine. I don't know what's going on there.
I'm actually intrigued to how these are gonna turn out. But have you ever done anything like this before?
Yeah, when I used to be broke, I always used to revamp stuff. I used to cut stuff up, bleach stuff, dye stuff.
Yeah. This will help you guys at home because you don't have to spend so much money on designer jeans when you can just do something, do something cool at home. Stay tuned to the end of the video so you can see what we come up with. Ow. So guys, we've got all our materials out here now, ready to customise. Have you got a plan of what you want to do?
Do you know what? I think we should have used like white banana material, probably use some other like light jean material to cover up these flowers. Because I'm really not feeling them. But I think it'll probably be better if we stick to the like light wash type thing. What about you?
Well, as you can see, it's a little bit messy on my side. I've got a lot of pair of jeans. I'm just gonna go crazy, cut up everything and see what I come out with.
Do you want to set a timer then? Looks not too bad now. I like yours as well, to be fair.
Thank you. I've not finished it. I mean, I was going to stitch it, but then I got told that 30
fabric glue everywhere, all over my hands. Oh my god, fabric glue is crazy. Yeah, literally.
I had to use these pins to pin them all down, but let's go try them on.
Oh,
I forgot my jeans. Head over to Pie Radio's Instagram poll to vote who you think the winner should be.
Like, share and subscribe and comment. Don't forget to follow our socials down below and put on the notification bell so you never miss any videos.
We'll see you next time.
I need to think about saying first.
Can we do that again? Because I know for a fact I got a double chin in that.